Assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at your home and doing your studies of computer science. So this is your lesson of computer science and I am your computer teacher. So in this lesson we will discuss or we will draw a bot in Paint program. So as you all know that in the previous lesson we were discussing about different tools of Paint program, how we can use different kind of tools in Paint program. That what kind of tools we have in Paint? Can anyone tell me? Fatma, can you tell me what kind of tools we have in Paint? Hania, can you tell me? Right, we have a lot of tools in Paint program. So first of all, let's open Paint program. So what are the steps? What you have to do first of all? Abdullah, can you tell me? Right, you have to click on the start menu. Then what is the next step? Right, you have to click on all programs. Then you have to click on this one or Microsoft Office. No, exactly, you have to expand this folder of accessories. So as you can see the folder on the search bar, on this menu bar, simply you just have to drag this option or you can expand this option. So when you will click on this folder, so you will find here Paint program. So just simply click here. So as you can see the window of Paint program is opened on the screen. So now first of all let's draw a boat, and for drawing boat we need a lot of shapes. So from where we can get the shapes? Bilal, can you tell me what kind of shapes I need if we want to draw a boat? Right, I have to take a lot of shapes. It can be circle, it can be rectangle, it can be triangle. In which shape you want to draw, you can choose that shape, right? So simply just watch this video very carefully, and at the end, you after watching the video, you have to draw a boat in your computer's system in Paint program, and then you have to share that file with me on Google Classroom. Is it clear? Okay, so now let me choose first of all rectangle, and I will okay, as you can see, okay, is it clear? Okay, so as you all know that बोट की शेप आपके पास रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में नहीं बल्कि उसमें से कुछ रेक्टेंगल कट होती है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन हियर so that it will look like a boat, and then I will also cut in half. Is it clear? Okay, so now if I want to erase this part, so which tool I should use if I want to erase this part of the area? Right, I will use eraser tool. So simply just pick eraser and you have to erase it. So can I make my eraser bigger or not? Is it possible? Right, I can make my eraser more bigger with the help of, that is your shortcut key, Control and U. Sorry, Control plus U. So what you have to do, you can make the size of your eraser bigger if you will press Control and the symbol of plus. Is it clear? Okay, so now I need line tool to draw a line. Okay, this way or this way, right? So now if I want to draw the top of the boat, so which shape I should choose? Padma, can you tell me? Right, I have to choose here a rectangle, and I will draw here a long rectangle over here, right? Okay, so now I will choose a triangle. This is basically your triangle, so I will just I hope now it's look like a bot. So again, okay, so let me choose one more time. Okay, so now I need one more rectangle at the left of this bar. So what I will do, as you can see, there is not any kind of left triangle. So what I will do, I will use, okay, so now I need a triangle on the left side of this bar. So what I will do, as you can see, there is not any kind of triangle that is your left sided. So what I will do, I will just select this triangle. Okay, I will select it. I will press Ctrl C. I will do Ctrl V. You know, Ctrl C and Ctrl V is used if you want to copy your file, and if you want to paste that same file in the same place or in some other place. So you can copy paste. Now just simply don't do anything. Just right click, and as you can see, there will be an option of rotate. Then simply rotate left 90 degree, right? So as you can see, now your image is rotated. And now what you have to do, you have to use this image here, and you can adjust the size according to your choice. Okay, so after that, here let me draw a flag. So I will use this one. Let me draw some circles here. They are oval shape. You know, if you want to draw some kind of stars or some other picture, then you can draw it. And then I will choose one more oval shape and I will draw here. Is it clear? So after drawing, what I will do, I will just make a line and I will complete this, so it will look like my C, right? So same from this side also, I will just make it a clear line. Okay, so now my scene is ready, and now I will draw a sun. I will choose oval, so I will make a sun. Okay, so after that, what I will do, I will now, if I want to, okay, so now if we want to fill color, which tool we should use? Ahmed, can you tell me? If I want to fill now this scene with my colors, so I should use which tool? Which tool I should use? Right, I have to use fill with color. As you know that fill with color tool, this kind of bucket as you can see on the screen. So this is basically used if you want to fill color inside your picture. So with this tool you can easily fill colors in your shapes. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, there is a sun. So in sun, which color I should choose? Green or red or yellow? I think yellow will go good, so I will just pick yellow color and I will fill inside this shape. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my background area. this is like my sea. So I will choose a green blue color and I will fill here, right? So if you want to change your color, you can also select, like if you want to change choose this color, then simply change it. So now we will add color in the background area. So what we will do, I will choose this color and I will fill this color inside this image. So as you can see, okay. So now what if I want to fill color in my board? So what I will do, I will follow the same procedure. I will use fill with color tool and I will fill the pictures with color. So as you can see, first of all let me choose this brown color and I will fill this color, right? So if you want to choose a lot of colors, you can also choose take color from here. As you can see, यहाँ पर आपके पास एक कलर की बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज है. यू हैव अ ग्रेडियंट. ग्रेडियंट बेसिकली क्या होता है कि आपके पास एक कलर्स की थीम होती है जिसमें आपके पास डार्क से लाइट कलर्स या लाइट से डार्क कलर शो हो रहे होते हैं. सो फ्रॉम हेयर आई विल चूज दिस डार्क ब्राउन. I will say okay. So now as you can see, this dark brown color is added here. So just simply you can fill this color. If you want to choose some other color, then you can take the other color, right? So for now I will choose this dark maroon. Okay, so now I will choose this red color. Same, just follow the same procedure. Choose your fill with color tool, choose your color, like I will choose red color, and then I will choose at the end yellow color so that my boat will look bright. Okay, so here as you can see I have drawn some or 3 circles. So you can fill any color, like I will fill yellow, or I will choose here orange, right? So after filling the color in this shape, if you want to fill color in this bars, basically these are your poles, so you can choose or you can select color, like I will choose the same color and I will fill inside this bar. I will choose this color and I will fill. Similarly I will choose now gray color and I will fill inside these shapes. So at the end, if you want to also draw a flag or any other point, then you can easily draw it. Like I will choose first of all black color, and you can, as you can see, now you can adjust here. Okay, so in this way you can also set the direction how you want to set it. So at the end, after drawing this flag or ribbon on your board, I will also fill a color in this flag. I will choose the color of orange or it kind of red, like it will be easily visible. So now your board is complete. So now what you have to do, you just have to watch this video very carefully. आपने इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से देखना है. And after watching the video, what you have to do, you just have to draw a boat in your paint program. And so now let's revise these tools one more time. So first of all, let me write here what kind of tools we have. So I will write here, the first one I have is pencil tool, text tool, eraser tool, magnifier, color picker, and at the end we have crop tool and crop tool, and at the end we have the last tool, that is your text fill with color. Okay, so here we have, I write here basically 1, this is your second one. Text tool, this one is your third one, this one is your fourth one, this is your fifth one, and 6, and at the end 7. Okay, so you just have to use these tools carefully. आपने इन tools को अच्छी तरह से use करना है in your computer, and you have to do the practice. So when you will come to your school, I will ask different questions about these tools, like what is the use of pencil tool, what is the use of text tool, what we can do with the magnifier, and what is the use of color picker, etc. So can anyone tell me what is the use of pencil tool? Right, pencil tool is basically used if you want to draw freehand drawing. अगर आपने pencil tool के through freehand drawing करनी है, then you can easily do with the help of pencil tool. Now what is the use of text tool? So text tool is basically used if you want to type something. अगर आपने कोई भी name type करना है board के साथ, this is my board or this is beautiful board, this is beautiful scene, then you can use text tool. Now what is the use of eraser tool? Right, eraser tool is basically used if you want to erase something in your drawing, like आपने कोई भी चीज़ type की है and you want to erase it, या आपने कोई भी drawing की है and you want to erase it, then you can use this eraser tool. So this is basically your eraser tool. As you can see, when I will move my mouse pointer on the tool, it will also show the name of that tool. Is it clear? Okay, after that we have magnifier. So now what is the use of magnifier? Fatma, can you tell me? Fatma Arshad? Right, magnifier tool is basically used if you want to make your image bigger or smaller. Like how I can do this, as you can see, you just have to click on this image, this tool magnifier, and just as you can see, इस तरह से आप अपनी इमेज को जूम इन कर सकते हैं और जूम आउट कर सकते हैं. लाइक अगर आपने इमेज का साइज़ कम करना है या बड़ा करना है, एंड एट द एंड उसी तरह से आप अपनी इमेज का साइज स्मॉल कर सकते हैं. सो हेयर एज यू कैन सी देयर इज़ वन मोर ऑप्शन ऑफ जूम इन, एंड दिस इज़ योर zoom out. You can also use this one. After that we have color picker. So now what is the use of color picker? Faizan, can you tell me? Right, color picker tool is used if you want to fill color in one picture and use the same color in the other picture. So that you can do with the help of color picker. So after that we have crop tool. So now what is the use of crop tool? Crop tool का क्या use है? Hafsa, can you tell me? Right, crop tool is basically used if you want to cut your image. अगर आपने अपनी image को cut करना है, then you can done this with the help of crop tool. Okay, at the end next we have fill with color. So now what is the use of fill with color? Afnan, can you tell me? What is the use of fill with color tool? Right, fill with color tool is used if you want to fill the picture with color. Then you can use this tool very easily. So I hope these 6 to 7 tools are clear to all of you. Now just watch this video lesson very carefully. Draw a boat in Paint program. If you want to make a recording, then make a recording with the help of a recorder and then share in Google Classroom. You can also send me on my WhatsApp, or you can also share your picture image file in Google Classroom. So, and don't forget to write your name, your class and section.